Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to create a payment voucher in ELBS ERP software. There are two ways to open the payment voucher listing. The first method is from the main screen. Simply click here, and you will be redirected to the payment voucher listing. The second method is from the top menu. Click on GL, where you will see multiple options. From there, select Payment Voucher. This is the payment voucher listing screen. To generate a new payment voucher, click on Create New PV. A new window will open. First, click on Branch and select your required branch. Next, go to the Pay to field and enter the payment narration or description, for example, stationery. Now, click on Payment by and select the payment method. If the payment is made by check, enter the check number in the check section. On the right-hand side, you can see the voucher number, which is generated automatically. At the top of the screen, you can also see the next possible voucher number. In the posting date field, you may change the date if required. Now, move to the account code field and select the relevant ledger, such as stationery. After that, enter the amount in the amount field and click on Save. The record will be saved successfully. Once saved, the system will automatically redirect you back to the payment voucher listing. Refresh the screen and scroll to the bottom. You can see your newly created entry here. To view the voucher, select the entry and click on Preview. There are two preview formats available, full page and half page. You can choose the format according to your company policy. Click on the required format and then click on Print. The half-page preview will be printed in A5 format. Simply select your printer and click Print. The full-page preview will be printed in A4 format. Thank you for watching.